Land degradation is a global issue, but it is one of the important issues for a developing country like India, which depends on its land resources for the livelihood of majority of its population. There are regional differences. Like Madhya Pradesh, a state which is located in the central part of the country, has been severely affected by the land degradation. Other development indicators of the Madhya Pradesh is also poor in comparison to other states of India. Watershed Organization Trust or WATER has been implementing climate change adaptation and watershed development projects in Madhya Pradesh for the last 2 decades. We have done this study to assess the impact of the watershed development on the biophysical and the socioeconomic level. This study has been done with the financial assistance from Economics of Land Degradation Initiative of GIZ. The study has been done in 4 selected villages of Mandla and Jabalpur district. For the biophysical assessment, we have selected 4 indicators: the land productivity dynamics, soil carbon, soil erosion, and changes of the land use and land cover. For the socioeconomic assessment, the 3 values have been added and we have done the economic assessment. The 3 values are the benefits of crops and fodder, the benefits of household water availability, and the benefits due to the decrease of distressed migration. Overall, the results suggest that the project villages are showing greater amount of improvement for all the parameters than the control villages for the normal year as well as for the years of drought and flood. This has been further supported by the cost benefit analysis. Most importantly, the watershed development has helped to halt and reverse the land degradation, bring positive changes in the life of the rural poor, giving them more water, more crop, more fodder, and more NTFP, and reduced the distressed migration. If you are interested to know more about this study, please click on the link provided with this video. Thank you.